Have you ever needed to send a message to all of your contacts on WhatsApp at once, but weren't sure how? Whether it's for a group event, a business update, or just an announcement, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to send a message to all your WhatsApp contacts. Now, if you want to send a message to all your contacts, you'll want to use WhatsApp broadcast list. This is the most efficient way to send a message to multiple contacts at once without creating a group. The best part, each recipient will receive the message individually and they won't see who else you've sent it to. To start, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. From there, tap on the three dots menu in the top. Now, if you cannot find it, you can also tap on the plus icon and here tap on new broadcast. Now, this will allow you to select the contacts you want to send your message to. You can select as many contacts as you want, but just remember the recipient must have your phone number saved in the contacts for them to receive the broadcast message. Let's choose. Now, tap the create button. Now you'll be taken to a new chat where you can type your message. Type whatever you want to send out to everyone in the list. Now once you've typed your message, all you have to do is hit on send. And just like that, your message will go out to all the individual contacts you selected. Remember, each contact will receive the message individually. It won't appear in a group chat. Now, if any of the other recipients reply to your message, it will be in a private chat and you won't see other responses. It's a great way to communicate with many people without the mess of a group chat. And that's it. You now know how to send a message to all your contacts using WhatsApp broadcast list.